안녕하세요, I'm Sienna. Today I will teach you how to say how much in Korean. I'll also give you some examples so you can see how it is used in everyday situations. In Korea, asking how much is useful when asking about the cost of something. You might use this at a grocery store, shopping mall, or convenience store. There are times when price tags are not written on items at boutiques or markets. It is useful to know this sentence when walking around Korea. The word for how much in Korean is 얼마. 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 Imagine a situation at a store where there is no price tag on an item you want to buy. You can ask the staff this question. 이거 얼마예요? This means, how much is this? Let's practice using this word in a few sentences. 이 바지 얼마예요? This means, how much are these pants? 이 시계 얼마예요? This means, how much is this watch? Although these are common ways of asking, you may want to add some formality to make the question more polite. When asking the staff, you can add 저기요 to be more polite. 저기요 means excuse me. Using this word is a good way to politely get the clerk's attention. 저기요, 이 바지 얼마예요? This means, excuse me, how much are these pants? 저기요, 이 시계 얼마예요? This means, excuse me, how much is this watch? There you have it. You now know how to ask the question, how much in Korean. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you'd like to learn more about this Korean phrase, we have a detailed resource with more examples. I'll leave a link to the detailed resource in the description below. See you next time!